Hi, this is an iPhone 6. The screen have been replaced and after that dropped again and cracked. So as you can see, this is broken and I got a kit to replace it. So I bought this from Amazon. This is around $20 US, around 25-30 Canadian. So let me open it and see what we have here, and we will replace the screen. So this is the package that I received. A screen protector later for the system. So screen protector accessory. So that's for screen protector. So the kit comes with these three. So these are the tools that we have, and let's see what we got here. This is a screen that I have picked for the phone. First, remove these two screws at the bottom. After that, we use one of these two, the tool that is provided. So carefully lift it a little up, and now what we need is we need to open these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 screws need to be opened, so this can be removed. You have to hold this here. That is very tiny screw. One of them is longer. So now I left that piece. I opened it, and then now these are the two connectors. Remove it, put this. So this is removed now. That is for the one piece, and then we have another one, and then another one. So all of those cables have been removed from there. So we are leaving the phone, new one, and this is the new one, and this is the old one, the broken one. Now there is a camera. We have to move the camera there, and then there is a fingerprint reader here. We have to move also the fingerprint reader. And maybe we do this one or that one, doesn't matter. So let's just do one of them first. Fingerprint reader. The screw is here, and 2 screws at 2 sides. Lift this up. Remove this plate first. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 screws here and 3 screws here, which we have empty spots. So this plate will move there. And then here the camera has 1, 2, 3 screws, because this plate is under the camera, so we have to remove that one as well. I'm putting this here. Okay, this screw is larger, so I will put it aside, because now let's see, these 2 screws, they're small, they're also longer. That's different. Okay, this is long, these two are larger, thicker. So let's remove the plate. So this is the plate. After that we have the camera, and there is a sensor for the camera. So this plate will go there. So the first thing, let's put this here. And then the fingerprint reader connector will go on top of that. So let me see how fingerprint reader is attached here. Okay, so same way, I'm gonna just put it there, and then that was the home button, and then I bend this down. Okay, so now bend this down to attach it. And then let's put the piece for this, because this is completely independent of anything else. I don't want to lose the screws. Turn this around. Okay, so that piece is there. So I've not attached any screws here yet. Okay, that looks good. As you can see here, these 4 contacts of piece, you see these 4 contacts are supposed to touch these 4. So whatever way I put it, they must be like this in order for this piece to come over it. I will put this. And then these 4 will touch, and the camera should also go. Yeah, so it's snapped. So it holds all these 4 contacts properly and holds the camera. Now this one was here. So one, and then this was long in here. So this was longer. These 2 screws are the same. We put it back with the main system. We have to put all of this 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. So this piece is being held by this yellow tape. Just remove it. Underneath of this now, I have to put it underneath all of those, underneath of the camera, another cable that I just put. So once you put it like that, then this piece, this goes to the first one. It snaps, and then this one goes into this one. all of these snap, otherwise they will not fit if you put it in the wrong connector. And then the camera mechanism goes to the last one. Okay, so all of those have been attached. Now this piece, the job of this one is to hold them properly so they are not loose. Now I hold this, and then I'm gonna put something in support of this here. So one of the screws were very long, and it could be this one, which I forgot. Yes, the long one was. This was the long one. These are all done. Now I want to close it, and this plastic, as you can see, this plastic is the sheet that is attached on this side. So I have to make sure that that is out. And then it comes from, make sure this side fits. And it fits from here. Go down, make sure this line looks good. This is also good because I need 2 screws here. Excellent. That's also good. Here is also, everything looks good. The 2 screws go here, and the other one goes here. So everything looks good. Let me remove this. It looks beautiful. Actually, when I turned this off, it was not off properly. So let's try it. The fingerprint worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a simple passcode. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah, I saw that shit. Oh no, don't touch it. Are you ready to get...
Okay, perfect. Everything worked. Thank you for watching. Please share and thumb up the video.